room for section Venus and Jupiter near guidance office. For section Earth, wait, so here is gulayan sa paaralan, and that room is for classroom for section Saturn and Neptune. Here for section Earth and section Mars, there in front of the hand washing area. Section Earth and section Mars